The first month alone, we actually booked an additional 30 moves. It's self-managed, so there's no negative impact on my day-to-day or more work on my plate. My role at NewCity is business development, so I help bring in new initiatives and ways to bring in more customers. NewCity Moving was founded in 2009 by Brian Slater. He started with one truck. We now have over 100 trucks. We're about 500 employees here in the Chicago area, and we're Chicago's largest mover. Before Snowball, we were just tracking our referral sources from in our lead CRM when the lead comes in. Put us, referred by and put it in there. So the data A just wasn't very clean and correct. And B, I just didn't have a good tool to do that. I'd have to pull a new report every time or pull a special report to look at that, whereas now it's already presented for me at a glance. The new method with Snowball is a lot more accurate. We can see where we're generating them and what funnels. We can also take it to more than just our customer base. We can get referrals from realtors. We can get referrals from storage facilities, building and property managers. It's really kind of 10x our experience, because instead of just having one source of, hey, type in who you're referred by and let's pull and compile that data, now we actually can see that in live time. The integration with Snowball was pretty seamless from my end. The Snowball team really knew what they needed and came to the call saying, hey, this is what we're going to need, here's why, and gave us the playbook of how to implement. And then once we implemented, of course, questions come up, or how do I handle a referral with this situation? What happens if somebody refers themselves? And so once we got to that point of actually launching, then I relied on Claire and Curtis a lot to just be like, hey, how should I handle this? Or what comes up here? And the pros stepped in and were like, we've seen this before. Here's a couple different ways you can take it. And I think they really held my hand through the entire process. Some of the results we've seen so far with Snowball, the first month alone, we actually booked an additional 30 moves. Last I checked, we were booking them north of 41%, which is a very high conversion for the moving industry. I'll take that. And then they're also nurturing our customers a couple thousand at a time. So that's personalized, nurturing conversations that we wouldn't be able to have with the customers. So it allows us to nurture our customers and really build that snowball effect in our customer base. So it's one of those platforms that just runs itself. They won't leave you in the dark, and they want to set you up for success as well. If you really believe in your business and your brand and think you're doing a great job out there, then why not ask for that from your customers? And I think it's taking a leap, but if you're looking for a company to hold your hand and make sure you're onboarding the correct way, then Snowball's your company.